wasn't a dermatologist.
No, Williams in the last
No, it was a
Intern.
no, that was the guy who was a dermatologist who thought that he was an 8-year cutter and saved his life. How do dermatologists take your pulse? He must have seen something, and he had a pulse of 37, and he said, "You're going to the hospital." He said, "Oh, my sister will arrange around the corner and getting a pacemaker now."
Right.
Otherwise, he would have had a mass out. No, he went for his checks.
Barry's professor is probably one of the leading world experts in melanoma. Barry trained at Sloan Kettering.
Yeah, well, he went to Sloan Kettering, and his department did dermatology was just falling apart. But he's going to follow one of Sloan Kettering satellite clinics out in Iceland, Long Island.
Barry's professor's name is Alan Halpern. I know that.
Wow.
And Barry talks to him all the time.
Scott's
Barry
Irish.
has a really good face and wants to talk it out. He calls out.
Yay, Wendy, we love you!
I missed it.
Sorry.
Somebody stuck their hand out.
Sorry.
Didn't get a picture.
Oh, well.